Nolagent here in Foley, Alabama at the Gift Horse Restaurant. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Nolagent. Let the good times roll. In this episode of our beach travel guide, we are visiting the Gift Horse Restaurant for our best southern food at the beach review videos. The Gift Horse Restaurant opened in 1982 and offered an all-you-can-eat buffet dining experience for lunch daily, featuring traditional southern food along with some seafood options. This was one of the most beautiful and unique restaurants in the area, and they also had an adjoining antique store that's still operating. The Gift Horse Restaurant was located in Foley, Alabama at 209 West Laurel Street, which is about 3 hours and 179 miles away from the New Orleans French Quarter. You might be curious about this lunch-only buffet joint, which offered a lot of food at a great price. So let's go ahead and head on inside here and check this place out. The Gift Horse Restaurant seemed to be a very popular spot in the area, and they offered a nice selection on their buffet that changed daily. The Gift Horse Restaurant was noted for their flavorful southern food offerings that also included a nice selection of desserts. This restaurant was one of the most affordable southern food establishments in the area with their all-you-can-eat buffet option, and it really did offer a fantastic value. My visit here was during Christmas, if you haven't noticed yet, and I have to say they have decorated and bling-blinged up this establishment to Christmas levels that I've only seen in New Orleans. So they've done a fantastic job putting a lot of Christmas spirit into the whole building here. So they've really made a Christmas wonderland. And look at this coming up ahead. Ooh, that's the buffet table, and look at this beautiful dining room space. So they've got all kinds of wonderful accoutrements in here with the chandeliers, the nice dining tables, and this very impressive looking buffet. And there's so much artwork all throughout here to investigate. So the buffet here is very, very nice looking. This is about the best looking buffet I think I've seen in the entire area here. So there's no shortage of wonderful looking things here, and an absolutely fantastic selection from their salad bar all the way on through these entree big servings and these wonderful pans. Oh my goodness, look at all the wonderful items in here. So, some fried stuff with fried chicken, some hush puppies, lots and lots of veggies and mac and cheese and all sorts of other delicious items. And the salad bar is fantastic. They even have some sauerkraut and other items you don't typically find on a lot of salad bars in the area. The lettuce is one of the smallest things here. Look at the awesome selection on their salad bar here. My goodness. This is a very impressive selection of items here. Only Wolf Bay comes close to having such a salad bar in the area. And then just an amazing selection of all of these choices on the main course items here. So, and some beautiful soups all the way around. So we get a seafood option there, and then we also get a tomato basil bisque option. I decided to start out, of course, with a lovely seafood bisque. Ooh, yes, this looks quite fantastic. Let's dig in here and try it out. It smells amazing, it looks amazing, and here we go with the first bite, and ooh, yes, this is a really fantastic, delicious soup. I really enjoy the flavors here. Each and every bite is chock full of yumminess. This is a very wonderful thing to eat. I'm enjoying the full experience. I've never had a seafood bisque quite like this too, so it's also quite unique, and that is always bonus points when you've got a bisque with these other things in it. So just like I've totally destroyed the seafood bisque, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought about this seafood bisque, and while you're down there, make sure to check out the link to my Patreon account, as I do work for tips and I appreciate any help with that. So I hit the salad bar hard next. They had some sauerkraut, some beets, some pickled green beans, and this wonderful seafood salad deal here. Oh yes. So the salad bar had a whole lot of delicious stuff, and ooh, first bite of this, I'm liking that seafood salad. These nice little crunchy pickled green beans and all the other little veggies in this concoction is really nice. And ooh, these nice little pickled cucumbers mixed in with a little sauerkraut. Oh yeah, that is some delicious combo right there. Ooh. more of this. Ooh, look at this delicious sauerkraut. Lots and lots of wonderful flavors. And so healthy. Lots and lots of fermented items. And then the beets. I love some good pickled beets like these as well. Here we go. So many wonderful vitamins in all of these items. I'm going to be so healthy now. I'm a little sad all the way at the last bite. So, just like I totally destroyed this salad, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you thought about this salad. While you're down there, go ahead and check out the link to my Patreon account as I do it for tips. I appreciate any help with that. Next, I hit those main entrees. There's some Swedish meatballs, some chicken, some delicious sweet potato casserole. Oh, look at this. Here we go, the meatball, and that's a very good meatball. I'm enjoying that. So, hey, you always need a delicious meatball as part of a healthy diet, I would say. So, ooh, we're going to get more of the meatball here. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. There's a lot of good flavors in that. Of course, you know, those pieces of nice chicken there also don't look half bad either, do they? And then that wonderful pile of sweet potato casserole really does tempt me. It's one of my favorite desserts. People serve it as an entree. To me, it's like a dessert. It's so delicious and wonderful. Oh, look at here. A nice little tender piece of chicken. It's fall off the bone tender. That is some mighty fine chicken. And here we go. Let's dig into some of these delicious little potatoes here. Yum, yum, yummy. Cheesy potatoes. Always a good choice. And I'll get a little bite of this dessert here. This is a beautiful looking sweet potato casserole. And it tastes even better than it looks. Oh my goodness. And here we go with some more potatoes. As cheesy potatoes are always a wonderful combination. I gotta say, my favorite thing on here is sweet potato casserole because I'm just addicted to it. I love it. The meatballs and the chicken also were fantastic, but I'm really addicted to sweet potato casserole. So never should you ever leave a big plate of sweet potato casserole in front of me, or it will be totally destroyed. I'll eat the whole thing. Unless, of course, you put nasty marshmallows in it, then I'm not touching that stuff. Marshmallows are gross. It's a good way to run my day with those marshmallows. So just like I totally destroyed this plate of food, destroy that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought about this plate of food, and while you're down there, make sure to check out the link to my Patreon account, as I do it for tips, and I appreciate any help with that. So I had to go back and get the tomato basil soup, as I really do love a good tomato basil soup. Here's the moment of truth, though. Is this a good tomato basil soup? Here's the first bite, and ooh, yeah, that's a very nice tomato basil soup. The only thing I would say is it needs a lot more basil. I don't really see any basil here. So just like I totally destroyed this soup, destroy that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought about this soup, and while you're down there, make sure to check out the link to my Patreon account, as I do work for tips, and I appreciate any help with that. Oh, and then they have a whole selection off on its own of all kinds of wonderful chocolates, Christmas treats, cakes, and pies, and these beautiful Christmas cookies. Oh, so many wonderful things to have here. It was a wonderful selection. So the bill arrived, and the total with tip was $27.13. So it's really heartbreaking that the Gift Horse restaurant closed down. However, the Gift Horse Antiques is still open for now. And I also just got the very heartbreaking news that Cafe Sabisa in New Orleans has also gone out of business after over 100 years. So, thanks so much to everybody at the Gift Horse restaurant, and I'm so glad I got to have one last experience there, especially during the wonderful Christmas time that they put on. And thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the NOLA Gen channel, especially to my Patreons. And if you would so kindly, go ahead and share this video with anybody you know that would appreciate it. And then, if you would just go ahead and check out the description box underneath this video, where you will see links to various cookbooks. If you click on one of those links, it takes you to Amazon. And even if you don't buy a cookbook, but you go ahead and buy something else, you're going to buy it anyway. For many of those products, I still do a little tiny commission, and that really helps this channel. And then, tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people.
NOLA Gen here, and thanks so much for watching, and just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.